How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Fierce Technology. Today we're unboxing the Sigma 24-70mm F2.8, and this is for the Sony E-mount. This is an art lens, so it's very, very sharp of a lens, interchangeable lens for the Sony camera. Sigma makes fantastic lenses for cameras, and I've got this one for my Sony a7 IV, and we're actually gonna mount it right onto my a7 IV right away. So let's see what we have included inside. We do have a strap. It's very weird that we get a strap. Oh, okay, I guess the strap would be for the case. Okay, that makes somewhat sense now. So we open it up, we get a big case in here for the lens. That's actually fantastic. I actually had no idea that we got a case included. Well, let's go ahead. We'll take that case zipped open. We'll open that up, and there we have our Sigma lens inside. We'll put that down right there for a sec. We got a big lens hood included as well. So we'll put that down there, and we'll open both of these up and see. But that's actually kind of cool now that we did get a strap for the case itself. I don't know how much I'll use the case for it, but nonetheless, it's pretty cool that we did get one. Let's go ahead and open up the lens. So first thing I noticed, this lens is quite a bit heavy. It's actually very, very thick, but to me, the heavier, the more quality feel that it is, I believe. Though that's kind of my theory. Any electronic stuff that's heavy, you get a really, really good feel to it. Let's go ahead and pop the lens cover off right here. And there we go. We get a nice look at the beautiful big glass on here. I did get a lens filter for it as well, so if you guys want to pick up a lens filter, make sure you go ahead and do that. I'll link the one that I use in the description down below right here, so if you want to pick that one up, I definitely would recommend a lens filter. So something that will cover just this. So it's just a clear UV one, so it protects your lens from getting scratched. But wow, this is just hefty. If we look on the side, some of the features that we have for it, we've got the lock button, we've got your autofocus button, I believe that's the one that you can use. We've got your autofocus and manual focus on and off right there. So I think this one is customizable. I'm not 100% sure, depending on your camera right there. But gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's go ahead and pop open our lens hood. And we'll go ahead and throw the lens hood on there so you guys can see what it looks like with the lens hood on. So we'll go ahead, we'll push that right there. There we go. Perfect. So we've got that with the lens hood on there. So looking good. And let's go ahead and grab my brand new Sony a7 IV camera. I have just opened it up. I just did an unboxing of it. You can look back on my previous video. You can see the unboxing of this camera. I have not put a lens on it or even turned this camera on yet. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So first thing I'm going to do on my a7 IV is I'm going to remove the cover right here on my camera. And then I'm going to grab this, remove that cover, and we're gonna go ahead and insert it. So we do have a little alignment button or alignment little thing right there, which I believe aligns onto the top right here. So if we align it right there and we just twist, and it's nice and solid on there. So it's a really good satisfying click that you get when it attaches right there. But there we go. So I mean, just a big lens. It is definitely a big lens. It's got that nice quality feel to it, but I love it. That's the look on the Sony a7 IV with that lens hood. We'll actually take the lens hood off right here if I can. There we go. We'll take that lens hood off right there. Make sure that's all nice and clicked in, and so you can see it without the lens hood on there. But I'm gonna install my filter, my lens filter, so that it's fully protected right away, and then we are good to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.